Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Color image segmentation based on mean shift is a popular technique used in computer vision to group similar pixels together in an image. The mean shift algorithm works by shifting each pixel in the image towards the mean of all pixels in its local neighborhood until convergence is reached. This process helps in clustering pixels with similar color values together. Here is a step-by-step tutorial for color image segmentation based on mean shift. Step 1. Import necessary libraries. Step 2. Load the image. Step 3. Reshape the image for processing. Step 4. Define the parameters for mean shift algorithm. Step 5. Apply mean shift algorithm. Step 6. Display the segmented image. This code segment demonstrates how to perform color image segmentation based on mean shift using opencv library in Python. The key steps include loading the image, reshaping it for processing, defining algorithm parameters, applying mean shift, and displaying the segmented image. You can run this code with your own input image to see the segmentation results. Make sure to replace input_image.jpg with the path to your image file. Let me know if you need further clarification or assistance.